Hey there, if we haven't met yet, my name is Sarah and I'm the mom next door. Today I'm going to show you how to make edits to a photo or annotate a PDF image using your iPhone. I found this really helpful in situations where, for example, the school sends something to me by email that I need to sign or fill out for my kids. I find it easier to just fill out the form right on my phone and email it back. How to add text to your document on your iPhone. The easiest way I've found is to start by taking a screenshot. Once you've taken your screenshot, tap on the little preview image that pops up on the bottom left. Now you're in a screen that will allow you to make edits to your screenshot. To add text, tap on the plus and then tap text. Now you'll get a text box that you can drag with your finger and you can just start typing in it. When your text is selected, you'll see the little A, big A icon on the bottom left. Tap it, and you can change the size of your text as well as the font and the alignment of your text. You can change your color of the text by tapping on any of the colors you would like to change your text to. How to sign a document electronically using your iPhone. Now let's add a signature to this document. Tap on the plus icon and then tap Signature. I already have a signature saved in here, so I just tap on the signature I want to use and it appears. I can then press and hold to move it where I want it, and I can change the color of my signature too. If you don't already have a signature set up, tap the plus icon and then tap Signature. Tap Add or Remove Signature. You can hit the minus sign to delete a signature, and you can hit the plus sign to add a new signature. Your phone will ask you to sign your name down below, and now it'll be ready for future use. How to add shapes to an image from your iPhone. Tap the plus icon and then tap the shape you would like to add. You can move the shape around and resize it. Tap the shape icon to change thickness or make it solid. In addition to the circle, there's also a square, a speech bubble, and an arrow shape. You can also draw on your image by selecting the marker, the highlighter, or the crayon. Tap one to start, and then start drawing anywhere on the image with your finger. How to draw straight lines using a ruler on your iPhone. Tap on the ruler and you'll see a ruler appear across your image. Use two fingers to press and drag the ruler, or to change the angle of it. Now if you use something like the marker, you can drag your finger across the ruler, making perfectly straight lines. When you're done, tap the ruler on the bottom and it will disappear. How to use the magnifier. To use the magnifier, tap the plus icon and then magnifier. You'll get a round magnifying glass that appears, and you can drag it and move it wherever you would like on your image. When you're done editing, tap Done and then tap Save to Photos. When the edit screen minimizes, you'll see the original document behind it. Navigate to your photos to find the image you just created. Thanks for watching all the way to the end. Hit like if you learned something new, and if you haven't already, I invite you to subscribe.